Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are eating the jerk chicken that you guys saw yesterday on the shorts video. Yes, this is it.
Yes, you saw how it was done, you know what I'm saying? On my little grill, you know? Gotta improvise. But it did its job though. That's all you need to know, it did its job.
I am ready to dig in and try it.
Try it.
This was prepared by the famous Richie, okay?
Yes.
As you guys saw.
It's not no RFC, but you know?
It can go on, but
JFC.
I'm not gonna prank Richie and pretend like I don't like it. I'm gonna tell him the truth. I don't like it.
Yeah, that's your problem if you don't like it. Hey.
I love it. Sauce, please.
Okay, and then you know I got my favorite sauce over here. I made it. You know? Look at that. Look at that awesomeness. Look at that. Look, there we go. Hey.
Beautiful.
That's my famous
Sweet sauce.
Okay. Then I got this is the next Jamaican drink. It's called I Cool. Really good. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That's that tangerine. What we got over here?
But honey,
You get my other leg part, my.
if you go to Jamaica, don't start with a complaint already. You just started a freaking video.
No leg part, my little. I one part again like. So.
Family, if you go to Jamaica and you ask for jerk chicken, okay, you can have it with rice and peas, but this is the way how we eat it on the street side. Especially if you come from a party. You get jerk chicken and they give you a slice of hard bread. That's how we eat it, with some sauce. That's it.
Yeah.
That's the authentic way to nyam jerk
That's
chicken.
how we eat it with the bread and the sauce. Look, take this part. That's the leg part. That part.
No, it's not. This is a thigh.
That's that's the bone. I like that part of it. Alright, friend.
You're annoying, man.
I should just pick up my side of my chicken and my you.
Yum this.
Yeah, give me that. And take all the other part. I just.
What other part?
Right for that chicken, my you. Family. I don't like that part of the chicken.
That is true. But you eat when it's fried though. And I got a piece of pear here. I just felt eat a piece of pear. AKA avocado. Hey, sauce please. Sauce is banging, yo.
Here I go. Take piece. Let me just turn it around for y'all. That's with the sauce.
The sauce is not for sale.
There we go. It's not for sale. There we go. See? That's the breast.
Nothing less?
Nothing else. That's the breast. Yeah. Wow. Family. Roadside food right here. You gotta get it. People die for this right here. Jamaica, roadside.
Oh yeah. Sometimes you're standing waiting for your food. You get hit by a car. Oh, they're driving past so fast. That's true.
The roadside food is the best.
Best.
It's gonna be a long video today, but just hang on.
Let me tell you something. Because we live in Spanish Town, we was born in Spanish Town, Jamaica. If you want to go to like Ochi or whatever, you just have to take the back road. But now since they built that new freeway, you don't go to back road anymore. But that back road, so much people is on there with food. Right, honey?
The road food is the best.
It's seasoning. That's a bone. It's the bone for me. Oh. It's not too tough, right? The bread. It's not tough because I like my food to be hot. So I left the warmer on. And the bread got a little crispy. But it's good though.
Warmer napkin?
Yes, please. Right? It's crispy, but it's good.
That sauce is nice. You gotta have your sauce on your chicken.
That's what makes it.
Got to.
But the chicken ain't seasoned right. That sauce can't help it.
Got to be seasoned too.
Yep. Let's start from the beginning. Everything correlates with each other.
This is good. So you saw the start and finish of the video, the little shorts. Just wanted to show you that, you know. I get down on the grill too. I had a chicken soak for like 2 days, family.
That is true. When you walk to the door, that's all you smell is jerk chicken. I felt like I was back home in the yard. My mother be saying stuff like that. What kind of sauce, baby?
What sauce?
Yeah, man.
Sauce, family.
This sauce is good.
Sauce busting, I ain't gonna lie. That sauce busting. No cap.
I am nothing down.
You have to have the sauce.
I have to. The bread with it too?
Let me give you a piece more. Oh, sorry, I didn't get a good piece. Okay, here you go. Here you go, the sauce again with it. Let it focus there. Take a bite. There you go. Put it closer to y'all now. Bring it back some more for y'all then. Here you go. Too close? All right, there you go. Meat is just tender. Wow.
It's not easy making jerk chicken. But if you can make good jerk chicken,
So you don't want it too dry.
9 times out of 10, you got some good cooking skills. Okay? Can't make it too fast. The outside will be dark and the inside won't be cooked.
Yep.
You can't do it too slow. Cause the chicken be dry.
This one ain't dry.
No sorry, Bob. You can even make it into a sandwich. What you do, get the harder bread, put the chicken. I know I keep on licking my fingers.
Come. Sauce.
You may enter.
Oh, you want sauce?
No, you didn't share food.
I think you was hungry. I'm gonna need the sauce. I can't survive without it.
Yeah, you guys were hungry because usually you were hungry.
I need the sauce. These kids don't have no manners.
You see that come for the sauce?
Yeah.
I told you. You can't believe us, see? Oh, it's blinking now.
It's blinking?
Yeah.
Okay. How much minutes is it?
9:33.
Guys, our camera's gonna die. It's dead in. We're gonna sit here and talk until it's dead.
Yeah, I can't about to die. I forgot to charge. I was so busy.
So, we're gonna sell outro. And if it dies after that, we're sorry, it's a short video. We ain't gonna be that short. But, that's what you're gonna say, my love. We will see you guys for Fast Food Friday.
Sorry, family. That's my bad. I was just so busy.
Thank you.
But I'm gonna give it an outro real quick. But here we go. Listen, First Lady. People who spend their time looking for faults in others usually spend no time to correct their own.
Oh! Bam!
That one hit. And that's just true facts.
True, true, true.
People who spend their time looking for fault in others usually spend no time correcting theirs.
Yep.
No cap. That one is real, B. Family, we're gonna talk till it's done. But you know,
Yep.
this is Jamaican jerk chicken.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang that the battery's not dying. Bye. So we're gonna stay here and eat.
We're just gonna stay and eat till it dies, okay?
Listen to me. You gotta put the sauce on the.
That shit good.
I can eat the sauce with just the bread.
Okay. Sauce will go on the rice.
Yeah, man. Did it before?
I made some more today.
Oh, you made more?
I add on to it. Saucy, saucy. That's what we call it. You have to have that on it. No cap.
God, that's so good.
Wow.
If you're Jamaican, I'm pretty sure you guys have your own saucy sauce because everybody makes it differently. Okay? But
this one right here, no joke.
my husband's sauce, phew. No, you can't get none.
I know accent up. I know axe.
I know.
I know
You
axe.
can't get any.
I know.
Okay.
No, we're not gonna sell it for sale. We're not gonna sell it. Only when you come over you could get some. And if you don't come over, you can't get none. Or we're not selling it. Wow.
This camera is weird.
You see that?
You see how long it's
It's
blinking?
been for a long time.
And I bet you if you kept on eating, it would blink conk out.
I need the family to know we not lying. We did that intro, we're still talking. Wow. I love the breast. Love the breast. Family, look at that. All the seasoning right there. Wow. Is there any juice? Do you want a pineapple juice? You want more? You know what's more in your cup?
I had some. How a lot.
Oh. Wow.
I know you wanted some enough.
I've done that fuck.
You've been watching my juice and
Right.
put my juice here.
I went in the store today. I pick up two juice because I know if I pick up more than what's up, first they not gonna like it, right? I pick up the juice and ask her if she want one that came home. Yeah, usually she would take juice, drink it, and then leave it in the fridge. I only bought two, so she could get some.
You always telling my business. Always
She got
snitching on
some.
me.
She got some. She got some. You know what I'm saying? This chicken was busting. No cap.
Do not say that ever again.
What? What over here?
Teresa, don't say bussin'.
Why?
Sasha, get out.
Why can't Mama?
Because you ain't hip. You're old.
Mama! Why can't I say busting? I'm old?
Come here, Sasha.
I'm old?
I was never here.
Family, my daughter said I can't say busting because I'm old.
She's not gonna come out.
How was the chicken?
Good. Oh.
Very good and juicy.
Ooh.
How you rate the sauce? Tell the family member how you rate the sauce.
I rate the sauce a -2.
-2? You know the negative is higher numbers than positive. You know that, right?
What?
Yeah. Yeah.
What are you saying?
Better edit that out.
Family, I'm old. Family, this camera is still going. This camera tricked us, yo. It's blinking like hell. And then it's still going on. No, watch first lady eat. First lady tearing up her food.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Too much eyes on me.
No,
I'm done.
no. If you eat your food, they want to watch you eat. Eat your food.
I'm shy.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
I'm shy. No, sir.
You want to
Fill
say
out
hi
the
to,
napkin, honey?
You want to say hi to the people, them?
Mm-hmm. I'm done.
You done?
Yeah.